France? France? Rillaboom called to me, drum-pa-pa-pum-pa. I'm gonna play drums for thee, drum-pa-pa-pum-pa.
Special delivery.
Greetings, I'm Otto the Metalkake.
Hello, Otto the Metalkake.
And welcome to the ascendancy of forbidden saints across time and space, dimensions, Christmas special episode. Now let me ask you a question. What is the most iconic Pokémon ever?
Agumon?
No, it's Pikachu! And thanks to reindeer magic, we have some Pikachu products, and we're gonna bake some Pikachu gingerbread cookies. Let's get it!
Woo!
Did you know I can spell my name with unknowns? Check it out. Otto. Metalkake. What do you think?
It's missing your middle name. The.
Well, damn, I'm gonna have to get some more unknowns. Anyways, what we have here today is an Elite Trainer box from Vivid Voltage. Check it out. It has the original Pikachu.
Yeah, the bean-shaped Pikachu.
The Pikachu that people like to call fat or chunky. I think that is extremely rude. It's the original Pikachu. Absolutely the best set of this year.
But does it contain Gorachu?
Let's find out, shall we? Let's open it up.
Yeah. It's exciting.
We get the player's guide. Let's take a quick look at the player's guide. Now the player's guide contains all sorts of info and backstories of each of the cards, but the most important thing is we get the list of everything. Now look at that picture.
Is that what we're hoping for?
No, I'll show you what we are actually hoping for.
Okay.
Well, first of all, this set contains these sort of cards. As seen them before, they're called Amazing Rares.
Okay. I would assume they're amazingly rare, then.
Well, they are,
Okay.
but I'm hoping we would get at least even one, because I really like them, but check it out. Full art Pokemon Center lady.
Oh, that's your waifu.
Yes. And look at this Pikachu.
Yeah, it's mad.
Yes.
Yeah. You can't say that.
How about Nessa? Or Dande, also known as Leon. Or her.
Oh.
But actually the most valuable one is the Rainbow Rare Chunky Pikachu. All in all, a really cool set.
Yeah.
So let us take a look inside the actual Elite Trainer box. We got the Pikachu. Ooh.
Shocking.
Actually, the Vivid Voltage set originally was called a Shocking Volt Tackle in Japan. We'll get the rule book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 boosters. Didn't get screwed over this time. A bunch of energies. In case you want to play the game. Sleeves. With Pikachu.
Yeah.
Man of the hour.
They're cute.
We did. We get a code thingy for the Elite Trainer box. Some dividers if you wanna, sort your card. Poison and burn counters and a bunch of dice.
Let's get rolling. Roll the dice. The dice cost.
Yes, go on. No, before that, let's open this. Inside this cardboard thing. Behold. Look at that Celebi. There is an amazing rare Celebi in this set.
Hope we get it. So
do I. Okay, well, what should we start with?
I say the tiny man of the hour.
OG Pikachu. Code!
Code card.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Darkness energy. Shuckle.
Up to a good start.
Demise. Trumbeak. Chatot. Clobbopus. Skidoo. Shuppet. Where's it? Really?
Yeah.
The Electros. And we got our first VMAX, which is Galarian Dermanitan.
That rhymes. Try saying that fast 3 times.
Galarian Dermanitan VMAX, Galarian Dermanitan VMAX, Galarian Dermanitan VMAX.
Oh, pretty good.
Yeah, screw that Pokemon. Next. Do you wanna have a go?
Yeah. So this one's got this ladybird.
Or Beetle. Only recently I did realize what the name is supposed to be. Orbital. It's like orbital, like in the orbit. I felt so smart.
I thought, like rock. So, code card.
Well done. And it's 4 to the front.
Right.
Good, let's see.
1,
A Mux will
2,
do.
3, 4.
Let's get it.
Another
Darkness energy.
Stunfisk Galarian. Sableye.
And
Hey! It's like a family.
it's pretty meta.
It's dinner.
Huh?
Seeduct. A Fanfi. The same shot again. A Pucha Yuna.
The ball face.
Polo. And a
Speaking of orbital,
Yeah.
we got 2 VMAXs from 1 Elite Trainer box. That is substantial. At least better than last week.
And Yuri Beamy.
Eerie. Cool! Well done, Mox.
Thank you. I got magic fingers.
So I'm told. I didn't think that through. I didn't think that through.
Yeah. Well, you're not wrong.
Anyway, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water energy. Trumbeak. Hyanessa. Krivorok. Clefairy. Wilmer. Dynamo. Eggs. Chatot. Terrakion. And Whimsicott.
Psychic type.
She would destroy my allergies. There is no favorite Pokemon anymore in the TCG.
Rest in peace.
You have a go.
Thank you. So we got Orbital again. So here's for you at home.
Enjoy!
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fist. A rocky helmet. I don't know how to pronounce that.
Tarantula.
Swallow. Sea dart. Electroic. Fairy.
A fairy.
Yeah. The fairies are psychic types nowadays. Yeah,
Yes.
no. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah, Vaporeon.
That's something for you. And a Charizard, of course.
He pulled a Charizard for us.
Brill Blaze. It's Leon's Charizard.
Indeed. This is actually pretty valuable. Cool! Today's our day. Celebi. Water energy. Go goat! Careless. Stone energy. Apparently, Whooper taking a bath. Pick. Walmart Squirtle. Riolo. Whooper taking a bath. And the Dialga.
Oh, look at that.
That's actually pretty nice.
Yeah.
She is metal.
Yeah. You had Diamond back in the day.
Yes, I did.
Still waiting for those remakes, Game Freak.
Gen 4 remix, please. On a guide. Yeah, too bad Francis is not here today. He's a bit odd. That's fine. Do you know why? You have to be odd to be number one. Sending some positive vibes.
Say lie.
Also known as my girlfriend. To what? Definitely not my girlfriend. Joltic. Sandagel. Ekolon. Pikachu.
You're gonna get demonetized for that.
So, Madray. Didn't it? And, oh, nice. Drapion.
Yeah. It was a hassle to take down in the Elite Four in Sinnoh. It has almost no weakness.
The first Black and White game.
Yes.
Ghetsis had a Hydreigon, and the only way to actually beat the Hydreigon was to have a Hydreigon of your own that was faster, or the Drapion. He would one-shot everything else. Screw Ghetsis. But Gen 5 was maybe one of my favorites. You know, it had N and N. He says. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get this.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Lightning energy.
Yeah, shocking. Boss. Another Stunfisk. Coating energy. So this.
It's a driller.
Yeah.
My favorite.
Well, Dynamo. Execute. Telescopic sight.
A Quagsire. It's definitely scared of something.
Scared of you, your judgment.
Yes. Last pack, magic. Our boy, Serude.
Yes, I have.
Cool card. 2, 3, 4. Leaf energy. Wash energy. Charmeleon. Bullface. Meowth. Duskull. Volt Orb. Wheel. The shiny driller.
It's not.
Ha!
Oh,
Nice.
that's the one you talked about.
I mean, look at the amazing rare Celebi here.
Amazing blue.
I mean, the photos do not do it justice. It's really cool in real life. Oh, the
Yeah, it's got a bit of a fingerprint texture there.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
It reminds me of the glitter thingies you used to make Christmas cards. Look at the base. And Berserker.
Yeah.
We did good today.
Cool.
Ihan törkeän hyvä vali. I'd say we did pretty damn well from one Elite Trainer box. What's your favorite, Mox?
Oh, my favorites. I have to go with the syllabi.
I mean, look at that syllabi.
Yeah.
It's amazing. I might be biased here, but I'll take Vaporeon. He's my boy. Or girl. But yeah, all in all, pretty good. Now, to make this even more amazing, I will show you how to bake some Pokémon gingerbread cookies.
Gluten-free flour, 300 grams. Sugar, 200 grams. Melted butter, 100 grams. 1 egg. Spices including cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, and cloves. Some baking powder. Lemon peel, and optional decorations such as icing. Combine your dry ingredients and mix well. Flour, sugar, spices, baking powder. Yes. Next up, add your wet ingredients and mix extremely well until it forms a dough. So our dough is looking pretty dry, so let's add 1 more egg. Ah, see, this is the consistency we want. Now, if you'd like some cookie dough, feel free to eat this as it is. But we are gonna bake some gingerbread cookies, so we shove it into the fridge for approximately 4 to 6 hours, preferably overnight. Preheat your oven to 225. Here's what we need. A surface to work on, Pikachu, glass, rolling pin, and a knife. First, we dust everything with flour. Like so. We take our dough out of the fridge. Always work with cold dough. We cut our dough in half. Let's put the other half back into the fridge. Let's cut our dough again in half. Now don't worry, the dough will warm up as we start rolling it. You can work it with your hands at first. Now let us roll our dough. Roll it as thinly as you want to, really. Let's make some Pikachu some Pokeballs. Here's our Pikachu. Lay it onto our dough when you find a good real estate for it. And then press firmly. Wiggle it around. Get your knife, trim around the edges. Then pray for Arceus. Utilize a glass to make some Pokeballs. Find a good spot and press. Oh yeah. Lift your dough into an oven tray. Rinse and repeat. Make a few more Pikachus, utilizing the rest of the dough. And into the oven we go. For 7 minutes. Siri, 7 minutes, let's go! Decoration time! Once our cookies have cooled down, we utilize our white and red icing to make Pokeballs and Pikachus. Let's get it. And there we go! Some awesome gingerbread cookies. Perfect.
Thank you for joining us today. We made some cookies, opened up some Pokemon cards, and had a good time. Now, like the video, share it around, comment down below, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next and final Christmas episode.
Special delivery. Oh.
There's some cake.
Hello, Otto the Metalkake.
Christmas special episode. And thanks to